This is celebrating the last 10 days of the year with the Grace Life DIY, Home Decor, and the Robin's Nest by Terry. We are doing chicken freezer meals to help you with those busy days that you don't have time to cook. We had our freezer go out and we got a new one, and these are the freezer meals we did. 3 chicken tortilla or chicken burrito bowls, 3 creamy chicken soup, 2 Hawaiian chicken barbecue, 1 chicken broccoli and rice, 6 quarts of chicken pot pie. We also canned 6 pints of chicken. From Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle. It's been what a morning. And I want to show you what I'm getting myself into. My big freezer went out. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing, because the stuff, some of it's got ice crystals, some of it's cold, some of it's not. So I'm got to go through it. And Bella's having a fit. I'm not holding her. This is 2 cases of Costco's chicken that we just bought. It was still cold to the touch and had some ice crystals. So we threw this in our crock pot, and we're going to make chicken pot pie mix. Okay, the recipe calls for 2 chicken breasts, but these are really tiny, so I added 3. 1 can of corn, but I got mine out of the garden, so I'm gonna do just about the equivalency of what a can of corn would be. And then I'm going to add kidney beans. Okay, 1 can of black beans. And 1 can of kidney beans. I use this for chicken tortilla soup and chicken burrito bowls. The burrito bowl, I just add salsa. The soup, I would add juice, tomato juice, a thing of tomato juice, and a thing of salsa. And then this will just go in the crock pot after. We'll seal that, and then that'll go in the crock pot when we're ready to use it. Okay, this is a pound of chicken in our bag. We're gonna add, this is Hawaiian. We're gonna do Hawaiian chicken. So we're gonna do Hawaiian barbecue sauce. And then on the freezer pack, I'm going to add 1 jar of pineapple. So when this goes in the crock pot, you'll add a jar of pineapple to it. And this will go over rice. And that's all that is, 2 items. Okay, this is 2 chicken breasts in our container. 1 can of mushrooms. This is for creamy chicken soup. 1 bag of vegetable soup mix, vegetables. One bag of cream of mushroom soup. 1 container of cream of mushroom soup. And 3/4 cup of water. This can be, when you put this in your crock pot, about 15 minutes before, you can add cooked You can add cooked pasta with this in the crock pot or rice. It's whatever you want and whatever you have on hand. Okay, this is 4 cups of chicken. We're going to add 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup. One container of broccoli, or 4 cups of broccoli, 4 cups of chicken, 4 cups of broccoli, 2 cans of mushroom soup, and then when we pull this out, then we're going to add, and I have that one piece of broccoli that doesn't want to cooperate, 1 bag of cheddar cheese. We're going to freeze this and add, we're going to write on the bag, add 10 cups of rice. And this is our broccoli and rice casserole. Or we could also do it in the crock pot, whichever one we wanted. But yeah, add 10 cups of rice to this when you pull it out of the freezer. And there's what it looks like. Here's what it looks like. That'll be our broccoli and rice casserole. You can also add a cup of Parmesan cheese. I'm not a big Parmesan cheese fan. I may put a little in. This will probably be a dish that goes with my husband, because he's a bigger broccoli fan than I am. So I put probably about a half a cup. But I'm not a big cheese person. But add 10 cups of rice to this.